Guys, I don't know what possessed me to do this. I was just going to go right back inside after checking my garden. And I have no idea, zero idea what made me come this direction, and then look inside of the trash can. Hi, little one. You are never in a million years going to believe what is stuck in it. Hey. Hey. There is a fucking baby raccoon. A baby. A tiny baby stuck inside of my fucking trash can. Guys, I wasn't even gonna come this direction. And it's hot. And I don't know how long it's been in here. Or how long it has gone without water. It's a baby. A little tiny baby. Oh my God. Little one, how long have you been in here? Oh my gosh. I gotta get it out of here. Hey. You fell in here, didn't you? And you don't know how to get out. Okay. I'm gonna figure out how to get you out. You're not gonna bite me, are you? Guys, this thing is tiny. Tiny. You can see how big my trash can is compared to my foot. That is a tiny little... Oh my God, you're so cute. You better not try to eat my chickens, though, when I get them outside. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What possessed me to even come this way, let alone look in the trash can? I knew the trash cans were empty. Oh, don't be shy. I'm not going to hurt you. Okay. I gotta go, guys.